Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is a super exciting day. The concrete team is here to start prepping the site for the greenhouse pad. Now I'm always amazed at how quickly things can get done with equipment, and well, today is certainly no exception. So I'm going to be putting this on time lapse so that you can watch the progress. I don't want to be like a creep, but I'm so excited. Oh, how awesome is this? They're actually bringing in some fill dirt with clay. That's the red clay you see there to really help make everything super stable. Because we're on all sand here, so having that clay makes a big difference. You can really see the height difference. You know, these yards look flat, but they're not. And this is a critical component for making the greenhouse make sense. It's exciting progress. We're just like peering out of the windows watching, but they're getting the soil cube bags moved so that they can gravel the pathway and then move all of the soil that isn't needed. You can see that big mound over there into the woodland and ultimately push my brush piles back. Getting a lot of things accomplished by this one project. I'm pretty stoked. The path is officially clear and in existence, and now it's going to get graveled so that everything makes sense. Really, really excited to once and for all have this pathway between the two properties so equipment can get easily between the two. I cannot believe the power of machines. We were just like, this would take us like days to do.
Oh yeah.
Wow. Having a Kubota skid steer would be a game changer.
Oh yeah, it would.
I know we don't really need one, but we need it for like 4 or 5 days a year. There needs to be some sort of co-op for machinery. I never knew gravel would make me so happy. Wow. This is like gonna be a legit work zone now. Yeah. David's gonna want to get another Land Rover and park it. Well, everybody, it's day 2. The crew has been here doing final touches on getting the pad leveled. And of course, they've got the big center drain put in. And now I think we're just waiting for the concrete truck to show up. It's so real. I'm so excited. So you can kind of get the essence of the design. That is the opening, which is part of the greenhouse, and then obviously the larger section. And remember, this is meant to be an entertainment space. So I'm saying this to remind myself that I'm not allowed to fill it with, you know, working projects, because the goal is to have it so that I can host classes in here and it won't matter what's happening with the weather outside. But now let me turn the camera around and kind of give you an up-close view of the state that we are at right now. So first of all, I want to acknowledge how these backyards look flat, but they totally aren't. And you can kind of tell from the way the neighbor's shed is what the grade difference is. And of course, since this is larger, the grade difference was pretty significant. So they brought in a lot of this fill dirt basically to make it so that this side can't flood. It's, you know, above grade when we do have heavy weather systems. And of course that the greenhouse will be level and flat. All this additional soil is just going to be feathered out, and you can see they've put the drain in through the middle, a big channel drain, and that's just going to daylight here and ultimately run out into what is the natural swale for all the water from the top of the neighborhood to flow down into the woodland. You can really see the grade difference here, and you know, the plan is just to move that soil around so that we'll have, you know, a nice area to ultimately be able to plant adjacent to. Because of course, once the greenhouse goes in, then I really get to start developing this with native trees, shrubs, and perennials. I'm so excited to have this stage done. Of course, we definitely have some some obvious damage here, and actually my thought was that we would just make this a concrete walkway. We're gonna do that as a separate project. We always have more areas of concrete to pour. We love this company, so we're definitely gonna have them come back and do that walkway down to connect to the greenhouse. Not going to the main entryway because that would impact the leach field. I'd also like to expand the concrete area for the back patio. But again, that'll be another project. I'm really good at coming up with projects. Of course, this is the machine that I wish I could just have, I don't know, like 5 or 10 days a year. I don't need to own one, but my Lord, it would be handy to have one. I have a lot of experience, believe it or not, using front end loaders from working in the nursery industry. And this one is an exceptional machine. They've also done me a favor by helping push this mulch pile. When this project's over, this is going to be kind of the next area I focus my attention on. But I just wanted to give a shout out to Southeastern Pro Contracting. They have done a great job. They've been great to communicate with, and well, they have a lot of experience doing projects like this, and well, it's been a pleasure to work with them. I'm so excited for the concrete to get poured. Looky here, the truck has arrived, and they're actually having to buggy it back because of course it's too heavy to put on the driveway. So I'm gonna be sneaky. Oh, it's the first pour. This is so exciting. Well, the process is officially underway. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on time lapse. And here we have it. The pad is poured. It's all graded out very nicely. And of course, I won't do any planting until after the greenhouse goes in. This is just gonna be here for a while. I'm hoping the greenhouse will be built by the end of March. You know, just kind of roll with it. I'd love to be here when they're building it. And of course, I have a pretty hectic schedule. So we will just take that in stride, but step 1 is officially complete. Such an exciting day. Well, everybody, I hope that you will plan to Tune in for all of our updates as we continue to make progress on this amazing new project. I am over the moon excited. You know, I think my grandmother, whose life insurance policy has helped pay for this, would be really, really happy to see that her gardening enthusiasm has carried on quite successfully through me, and we're very happy to dedicate this greenhouse in her honor. Well, thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy gardening.